Hi there, Kerry Coach here, and I just want to give you an up-to-date behind-the-scenes sneak peek of the mini soap suite. I get so many messages saying, am I doing online classes? Do I do classes over Zoom? And the answer to that is no. I used to during COVID, but I just have found that the demand has dropped off since we've all been let out. So no is the answer. However, I have an amazing online digital club of tutorials, videos, recipes, and I'll talk you through it in a moment. But I just wanted to give you an up-to-date behind the scenes because I think for a lot of people, it could be just what you're looking for. And I know many people will say, well, what about YouTube? There's loads of things on YouTube. Please do not let me stop you looking at YouTube. There's some amazing recipes and teachers on there. However, often they don't give you the full recipe. They might not talk you through troubleshooting. You might not get the behind the scenes support. So with my mini soap suite, I have a Facebook group where you can come in and ask questions and share what you've made, and just generally chat about things if you want to. So let me show you. It's easier to show you. I'm just going to share my screen. Okay. So when you log on to the mini soap suite, and when you sign up for it online, you get a link to enroll. It all gets sent through to you automatically via an email. So it's really, really easy to get on there. And then you'll land on a dashboard and you've got three different things down the side here. So the all courses section will show you everything that's in the mini soap suite at the moment. So you can see that there's all of these tutorials inside. There is a beginner section here where if you haven't made soap before, it gives you some insights and videos on how to do that. Just basics to get you started. And then once you've done that, you've got a whole selection of things that you can choose from. And it's not just soap. I started off just doing soap, and you can see that I've got on here honey, oats and milk, milk and sea salt. What else have we got? Seaweed, banana soap, cucumber mint soap, honey and turmeric, purple haze. So we've gone for some patterns as well. Seascape, this ombre, pumpkin latte. I would have been doing that last autumn. Body butter. So we're getting into other products here. So not just soaps, body butters, bath bombs. Last year, Christmas spa box, that went down a treat, and I'll talk about that a bit more in a moment. Bath truffles. So any of these, if you go onto them, let's choose, let's say, for example, cream deodorant. You just click on it and it will take you inside, and inside you get a video of me talking you through. Very, very easy, straightforward. You can speed it up if I talk too slowly, so put it on 1.5 times if you want to whiz through it. Then you also get a printable recipe sheet as well, PDF. So that's this one here. Okay. So again, you click on it, deodorant, you can download it and you can print that out. So if we go back to dashboard, what I've also done in the most recent recipes. So this is from Autumn Fire Soap tutorial onwards, is I know lots of people want to do their own labels, so I give you the labels as well. So here, for example, you get the video, talk you through the video here as before, then you get your recipe sheet, and you also get a link to the Canva templates if you want to tweak it and make it your own. You also get a link to the A4 PDF, so you could just print this out for soap, done it all for you. So again, print it out onto a piece of A4 card and you don't need to worry about anything else. The Canva template links, if you haven't used Canva before, please don't worry too much about those. They're for people that do use Canva, but you can use the template and you can put your own name on it, or you can tweak any of the pattern in the background if you want to. So I've done that for the last couple of tutorials. So put that in perspective, we'll start off looking at the spa box. So this month I've dropped in the first half of the Christmas spa box. Now, this is what I'm doing in my in-person classes at the moment. And it's a box which has got all sorts of different things on here. I don't know whether you can see that. I'll show it in a moment again when I've gone back to the non-screen sharing. But this is all in the Christmas Spa Box 2024. And I've given you the tutorials, the recipes, and the links to all the labels as well if you want to print them out yourself. So the first half has been October 2024. And if you're watching this next year in 2025, it will still be in there, so don't worry, plus anything else that I've added in every month since. So this month we've got 3 things in there. Usually it's just one soap or two, or 1 or 2 other items, but because it's Christmas, we've got 3 this month, 2 next month, and then all the label links as well. So let me I'm probably just confusing you now. Let's go back to the dashboard. Oh, and sometimes it might be something like this, which is my best little ebook of botanical balm making. But the best thing is about the mini soap suite is you can join, you get access to everything that's in there, and then you get access to everything that I add in on a monthly basis. This is my balm book. But the biggest plus is that you can come into the mini soap suite, and if you need to ask me questions, then you can ask me questions. I will help you as best I can. Obviously it's not instant, but I will generally be in there within 48 hours or so, and if not, there's other people that will quite often help as well. So just popping back to the Spar box, this is the Spar box, and you get all the links to these labels and how to make the products that are inside. This is the label that goes on the front of the box. I'll give you a link to the little card that goes inside. And this is really a preview of a behind the scenes of what's in the mini soap suite, but I'm just talking about the Spar box because it's the one that I've just dropped in most recently, and it's the one which everyone's asking about at the moment. So no, I don't do online classes. However, this is the next best thing. And you get access to the videos as long as you are remaining in the mini soap suite. As I say, it's only £5 a month. Yeah, give me a shout if you've got any questions around any of that at all.